For a solution, how you will tell how much solute is present in a particular volume of solution? For that, we have different methods. You can tell any person that so and so much of molarity is there. What does that molarity tells us? Molarity tells us how many moles of solute are present per liter of solution or per unit volume of solution. Similarly, if somebody says that molality of a certain solution is 0.5 mol, that means 0.5 moles of solute are present in 1 kg of solvent. Or somebody says the percentage mass of a solution is, or percentage weight by weight for a solution is 10%. What does that mean? That means 10 gram of solute is present in 100 gram of solution. So, all these units or methods could be used to explain what quantity of solute is present in a solution. Alright. So, few methods we are going to discuss over here are molality, normality and parts per million. Alright. So, mass percent is nothing but you put mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, you get mass percentage. Similarly, if you want to calculate volume percentage, what you are going to do is, then that means solute is a liquid and solution is a liquid. Then you put volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100, you get volume percent. Similarly, molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. What? Moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters, then you get molarity. The unit of molarity is moles per liter. Alright. Next is molality. What is molality? Molality equals to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Molarity was moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Molality is moles of solute upon mass of solvent. Be careful. Here we are using mass of solvent, not mass of solution. In molality you have moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Be careful about the units, right. This is what it has been mentioned over here, and molarity has been mentioned, and there is a relation between percentage by mass, density of the solution. So, what is that formula? Molarity equals to 10 dx by molecular weight. D is density of solution, X is percentage mass, and molecular weight we all know. Similarly, there are relations for dilution. What is dilution? Do you know that? Dilution means you are adding more water to the solution. So, you are adding water, not the moles, right. So, total moles will remain same. So, that means the formula of molarity was moles upon volume. You are increasing volume, not the moles. So, what you will do, initial moles equals to final moles. So, the formula you will use is M1V1 equals to M2V2 in your questions on dilution. On questions on dilution you use this formula. Molarity of the solution before dilution, volume of the solution, molarity of the solution after dilution, and volume of the solution after dilution. That is it. And there are certain questions based on neutralization. So, first of all, tell me, what do you know about neutralization? Have you heard about acid reacts with base to give salt and water? This reaction is known as neutralization. So, how you are going to solve the questions of neutralization? Equivalence of acid equals to equivalence of base. The basic formula is N1V1 equals to N2V2. If this is for acid, this will be for base. And the relation between normality and molarity is molarity into N factor. And what is N factor? For an acid it is basicity, and for a base it is acidity. So, N factor is acidity for a base and basicity for a acid. Alright. So, you use this formula for calculation of number of moles used for neutralization of a certain thing. So N1V1 equals to N2V2, or you can write, you multiply normality and get molarity into n factor, you get the normality. If you do not know what the normality is, you will be given molarity and multiply that with n factor, you will get normality of the solution, and you calculate this and put the value here and you will get the answer. Alright. Next, few more terms are here, as in sometimes you will see mentioned as semi-molar or molar. What does this mean? If molar is the concentration, that means 1 molarity equals to 1. If we say semi-molar, molarity equals to 0.5 or half. Decimolar means 10 to power minus 1 molarity. If centimolar, that means 10 to power minus 2 is molarity. If millimolar, that means 10 to power minus 3 is molarity. Alright. So that is all we have for now.